Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn green checks on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you're in your game, just go to the wins section, which is on the bottom left side of your screen, like so. And here you can see today's quick wins. So to earn green checks, all you need to do is complete the quick wins. For example, I've completed one right here. As you can see, I got 3 green checks from this, like so. So here it is, guys. This is how you get green checks on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!